Home remedies. We all feel unwell sometimes, but the remedy may be close at hand. Just look around your home. There are all sorts of things that can make you feel a lot better. Let's take a look at some home remedies that you can use. Who doesn't have a headache every now and then? Lemon is a great ingredient to treat headaches because it is refreshing and relaxing. Drink some lemon juice with warm water to help get rid of that nasty pain. Toothaches are awful, but vanilla extract isn't just good for cakes. For quick relief from a toothache, put some on your tooth. It might help with the pain, and it tastes quite nice too. If you have a stomachache, you should drink some ginger tea. It's tasty, healthy, and good for your stomach. Natural and tasty honey can help sore throats. Add a teaspoonful to a glass of hot water and drink slowly. And finally, a remedy that tastes really good. Chocolate has the same ingredient in it as a cough syrup, so it can help with a nasty cough. The foods in our homes can help a lot with home remedies. But remember, you should always check with a doctor if something is bad or won't go away. Do you know any other home remedies? How do they help?